How's it going, guys? If you're new to my channel, you might not know, but this is my 2014 Volkswagen Jetta S model. I bought it towards the end of 2014 and it was a used car, used by about 3 months because the family that bought it initially decided to actually return it. So they returned it and I went ahead and purchased it, and here we are today. So as you guys can see, I've been rocking the steel wheels just all by themselves this whole winter. There's a rear one for you guys. So therefore, I've been thinking about painting my hubcaps. I don't know if you guys watched my IKEA video, but towards the end of the video, I was saying that I wanted to Plasti dip my hubcaps. Well, I'm here tonight and I'm actually going to go ahead with it. So I'm going to head now inside here and actually paint the hubcaps with Plasti dip. We're going to be doing an orange Plasti dip to start off with. And then on top, I was thinking of painting them red. Now, why red? Well, some of you guys might know, TallGuyCarReviews, Barrett, has a newly wrapped gold Ram Rebel. And this car is kind of beigey to goldy style. So I figured I'll just copy him and get red wheels, like he got red Forgiatos. Alright? So we're going to be Plasti dipping with the orange Plasti dip. Why orange? Well, actually, in my garage here, I have a lot of leftover orange plastic cans, so that's why I'm going to use them up today. And then on top, once that's dry, I'm going to be painting them with a Home Depot brand spray paint in red color. Now, it's not candy red color. I couldn't quite find that. All I could find is just a regular basic red color. So without further ado, on with the video. So you guys might be asking yourself, which kind of hubcaps do I have? Well, you guys seen them before. Here they are. These are my hubcaps. It's currently off the actual wheel, just sitting on the ground. I have 4 of these style hubcaps. They're all in mint condition, scratch-free, mostly curb-free, etc. So let's go ahead now and get them painted. So guys, now we're indoors. I just finished washing my all 4 hubcaps right in the sink here. There's the spray bottle of the wheel cleaner. Okay, and now I've made a makeshift paint spray booth for wheels here, okay? I've got 2 wheels all washed up and cleaned. It's a quick wash. It wasn't so detailed or so hard scrubbing. Medium to light scrub and about 2 to 3 minutes each hubcap. So here they are. I didn't allow too much drying time. They've been drying here now for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead now and shoot the first coat of the orange Plasti dip. Alright guys, so as you can see, we've done our first coat here, okay? It's a medium to light coat, let's say a medium coat-ish, alright? The spray consistency out of the actual spray can here, Plasti dip blaze spray can, is not so good. You can see some parts are more heavier than other parts. Obviously, the nozzle is clogged up and needs to be, cleaned up basically. I'll go ahead and do that right now. But, as you guys can see, we did the first coat. I'll bring you guys somewhere closer. There it is. The first coat of the first 2 wheels. Okay. I'm going to go ahead now and clean this tip a little bit, the spray can. And then after that, run number 2 coat of Plasti dip. It might be pretty clean now. Stick it back in there. Okay. Push it down hard. Let's go again. That was a very good coat. I'm trying to speed up the process and put on a heavier coat because I'm pressed for time here, that's why. Alright guys, so outside I'm gonna go ahead now and spray them down one last time with this auto dip gloss black plastic that I found in my house. Okay, it's a brand new bottle, so it should be, you know, smooth sailing and a really good finish. Let's go ahead and do that. I have 3 hubcaps lined up here for paint, and I have 1 more behind me, just sitting here on my tabletop towards the front wall of this garage area. All right, the temperature inside here is not too cold. It's somewhat warm to hottish, not too bad. There's no heater inside here, it's just, you know, the heat from the house basically escaping through the wall. Alright, let's go ahead now and paint it. Well guys, I just laid on 1 heavy coat of the black Plasti dip. It's called Auto Dip, gloss black. And that's how it turned out. Somewhat okay. After 1 coat of it. Alright. There's another one. Now I have 1 more hubcap to do. So I'm going to go ahead now and get that up here in order to be painted. So here they are again. And this, guys, is the last one to paint. Okay, Plasti that is. Let's go ahead now and get it done. That's pretty much about it, guys. The spray can now, look how big and tall it is. It's almost empty. Oh my goodness, guys, oh my goodness. I can't believe we used a whole spray can for 4 hubcaps. 16 inches nonetheless, but still, I think a lot of material to use on 4 hubcaps. Obviously, I did a very heavy coat, so that's probably why, but I'm short on time and I want to get the job done. And I didn't really care too much about the quality of the finish. As you know, these are going to be on my car temporarily. And just like that, I think the can is pretty much done. So guys, we're all done painting them with the black Plasti dip, Auto Dip spray. Okay, there's the first one there. The second one, this one looks kind of orange still. And the last one, okay. 1 more just up here. That looks pretty black to me. Yep, wonderful. Ooh, look at that red, eh? Wow, pretty bright. Love it so far. Ooh, look at that red, guys. Wow. Put in a heavy coat. Wow, wonderful. Amazing, guys, amazing. Trying to come out really good. I think it'll come out like a little bit lighter than TallGuy's rims. I think TallGuy's rims might be a more darker red. So that's okay. I don't mind having them a little bit more lighter color. That's as far as we should go, pretty much, because we might run into, you know, paint issues with runs and whatnot, right? So alright, so that's the first coat. We're gonna go ahead now, let it all dry up, and then hit with a second coat afterwards. Alright, so this is now after the first coat of paint. See that one there. This one here showing signs of black still, mixed in with the red. This one too, so it definitely needs a second or third coat. And this one as well. Now we are about halfway through to maybe 60% through the actual spray can. Here it is. So I think at most we'll have maybe 1 more heavy coat for each hubcap. Yeah, at most. I doubt we'll be able to get 3 coats out of this can tonight. So we'll hit it with the 1 last coat, the remaining of this spray can. We use it all up until it's empty and finished and basically garbage. And then whatever color we get, whatever finish we get, we're gonna keep it. We're gonna put it in the car in a few hours after it dries and be satisfied with it. So I'll see you guys on the second coat. Alright guys, here I am now. I'm gonna go ahead now and start the second coat of the red paint. sure I get all the angles. Don't leave any black spots on the hubcap. Alright, next hubcap. Okay, next one. It's a lot better. Okay, next one. Can is now running low of paint. Wow, the second coat, guys, is really making a big difference, and therefore the hubcaps are looking a lot more red. They look like almost like an orangey red. You guys can see. Go back to the first hubcap now. Can's almost emptying out. I'm using these heavy and wet coats, so therefore there are some, paint drippage and whatnot. But again, it's winter time, so I know the finish is not going to come out perfect. So therefore, I'm not worried about it. Ken is running really low now on paint. It's almost done. So there they are, guys. The three of them here. The black from them is pretty much all gone. It's all covered up. All you see is just red paint. The paint in person looks a lot more red than it does in camera. On camera, the paint looks a lot more orangey, but in person, it looks a lot more red. Is it the same red as Tall Guy's rims will be? It's somewhat there, not totally. I'd say it's about a couple of shades lighter red than Tall Guy's are. I think Tall Guy's are a little bit more darker, for sure. So, here's the first hubcap. Second one. Third one. And fourth one. There they all are. Absolutely wonderful. I'm going to go ahead now and wrap them up. I'm going to go ahead now, open up my garage, pull up my newly painted hubcaps, and put them on the MK6 Jetta. Let's go ahead now, guys, and open up the garage. And there they are. Wow. As soon as you walk in the garage, you're dealt with a pretty big stench of paint. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. But boy, oh boy, do these hubcaps look so bloody Mary red. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Let's go ahead now. Take one. We'll walk over now to the MK6. Moment of truth right now. Valve stem comes through. Right here. Perfect. Stick it in. Punch it on somehow. There we go. It's on now. What do you guys think? Bloody Mary, eh? I love it so much. Wow. Transforms the car exactly like Corey's Ram Rebel does. Bloody Mary wheels on a gold car. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. That's the look, guys. Let's go ahead now and grab the second hubcap. Look at that paint. Wow, so shiny, so bright, so Bloody Mary. Stick the stem through. There we go. And pop it on. And there it is. Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful, guys. And here's the whole car's profile. Wow. There's a nice low shot. Oh my goodness, guys. I absolutely love it. I'm so happy I spent the time. It took me a couple of days to do this, and the custom materials wasn't so expensive. I already had the Plasti dip laying around here. I spent about $9 on the red paint can from Home Depot. That's about it. I already had wheel cleaner to wash the hubcaps with. They were initially very dirty and needed a quick wash, so I did that. So let's go ahead now and do this side. Hubcap, find the spot for the last time cap area. Okay. And pop it on. And there it is. It's on, guys. Absolutely wonderful. Got a closer look. And there it is. Bloody Mary Volkswagen hubcap. It's not a 4G, but still is Bloody Mary. Let's go ahead now, guys, and do the last one. Again, find the spot with the exhaust cap. First start off there. Okay, then punch it in. Make sure it's all in there tight. Pretty good. Happy with it. Alright. Okay, now closer look. And there it is. As you can see, the overall finish of the paint and the paint job turned out okay and no big problems. And here now, guys, this side done. Looks absolutely wonderful. I love it so much. A view from afar. That's how it looks like. I love it, guys. I absolutely love it. And then back down here on this side. Well, there it is, guys. All finished and complete. Installed on the car. My Bloody Mary hubcaps. Custom made by me. So there you have it, guys. My new Bloody Mary hubcaps on my MK6 Jetta's feet. This effectively concludes the video. Please, guys, don't forget to drop a huge like on this video and subscribe to our channel for more Volkswagen Jetta content. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care and have a good day.